back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with yet another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is a little bit different than the normal things that I share, but I'm trying to mix it up, share a little bit of something for everyone. So we're going to dive all in. The link to the job, if you want to put that application in, is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Most of us are probably familiar with the luxury retailer Neiman Marcus. They sell all kind of goods from luxury brands. The Neiman Marcus group that not only includes Neiman Marcus but also Bergdorf Goodman is hiring a remote digital stylist. So if you're all into fashion, this might be just for you. They're looking for enthusiastic candidates who are strong in digital selling, styling, and luxury fashion. Someone who has a passion for delivering the kind of client experience Neiman Marcus is known for. You'll be assisting clients with their shopping needs and doing so in a way that fosters long-term engagement for the brand. So this is a full-time position. The stylist will work remotely from home, but you will have the ability to travel to the store if needed for client visits. But you'll support customers who are engaged in Neiman Marcus via various channels that might include their website or different things like that. You're going to help them utilize fashion and product knowledge to answer any customer questions, make product recommendations and suggestions, and satisfy their shopping needs. You'll be building relationships with new customers and utilizing the experience as a foundation for repeated engagement. You'll help continue to build the clientele and meet sales targets. So maybe this is working with someone who is on the website looking for products and they're looking for maybe a new outfit for a business meeting, and you can give your product knowledge, your fashion knowledge, and help them pick out the perfect outfit to order for them. Now, best thing about this, it does not require any kind of college degree. You did not have to go to college for fashion. Just a high school diploma is required. Somebody who has 1 to 2 years of a previous luxury retail experience. So if you've ever worked retail in a retail store, this might be perfect for you. They want somebody who has strong written communication skills, someone who can work a flexible schedule and multitask, and someone who can quickly learn and adapt to new tools and technologies. Now, of course, you do have to demonstrate you have a commitment to customer service, that you're going to go above and beyond for that customer. Now, their pay range is listed all the way down at the bottom. Their whole job posting is small print, so I'll try to blow it up in editing. But this job pays anywhere from $28 an hour all the way up to $30 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you enjoy job leads like this, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that I'm being helpful to someone. Share with all your friends and family. If you're looking for something specific, feel free to leave that in the comments down below. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.